Hello, I'm Dr. Sanjay Choudhary, Director, I7 Group of Eye Hospitals in Delhi and NCR. So we run a group of 7 eye hospitals in Delhi, and we are a well-known brand by the name of I7 in the whole north of India. But so far, when we were running all these hospitals, we were focusing more on the clinical aspects. Of course, management is important, but we now realize after attending this conference that the management which we were doing was not sufficient. There's a lot more to do in management, in marketing, in promoting, in finances, in HR. So many aspects that need to be really looked after, and a professional like me who is an eye specialist cannot look after all these verticals. So like one of the ladies showed us, what you cannot do for yourself, you get others to do it for you. And so here I'm to look at what others can help us in these areas where we are not trained, we have limited knowledge, and what these professionals are telling us how to go about it, and probably they may even come and help us to build up a system. I think Ophthall is a must-attend conference for ophthalmologists because clinical is an ongoing process, but this in private practice is the most important aspect. Thank you.